Just a selfie, please. Okay, great. Smile. Oh, hey, you caught us taking selfies with the Pixel 5. Let's check them. So this is just gonna be a nerdy tech review. And if you clicked it for animals, awesome, you'll see that. But it's a pretty nerdy video when it goes into like specifications and tech, and maybe you'll just be bored. But otherwise, if you want to learn about the Pixel, this video is for you. So stick around, it's pretty funny and it gets more nerdy as the video goes on. Guys, be excited. Today we are going to see some beautiful Australian wildlife and you get to see a full camera review for this Pixel 5. I'm not going to go into any of the specs or any of the performance things, just the camera, because that's all we really care about these days. So we're going to talk wide angle lens, we're going to talk zoom and Australian animals. Now, the one thing I wish was if the selfie cam was wider. Let's get wide up in here! This is the rear camera wide angle lens vlogging because I want to see over there and everywhere. I want you like this perfect. I love this wide angle lens. All right, jumping straight into this, no pun intended. We'll start off with some kangaroos. It is a beautiful day down here in Australia. The kangaroos say hi. You even got a kiss. Side-by-side comparison, Pixel 5 on the left, iPhone 11 on the right. You can see the iPhone is slightly wider, but at least you're getting kangaroo kisses, which is great. The colors are pretty much the same. Pixel slightly brighter. The shadows are slightly brighter on the Pixel 2. Otherwise, stabilization is great. Australia sends its love. Wish you were here. We are having a great time. So guys, let's continue this adventure in Australia. We're just going to show you visuals of the Pixels and my crazy energy. So we went to a wildlife park to explore, hang out and say hi to the locals. We tested the slow motion, we're going to test the portrait shots, all the features of the phone. And plus you get to learn about koalas too, so that's pretty cool. And now most importantly, with cute girls, they want to look beautiful. And that's all girls want to do. So which camera makes a girl look more beautiful? The Pixel is currently still rendering this portrait where the iPhone 11 you can start editing right now. But iPhone 11 editing kind of sucks because it makes you look like a ghost. Look at that, it just whitens your whole face. Now, this new feature with portrait lighting on the Pixel, if you just want to edit on the go quickly, you can do this crazy contouring stuff. So it's like basically applying makeup but not, just using the phone. So you can add a little bit of light into the shadows to make yourself look extra beautiful. iPhone 11, I'm sorry. Animals also want to be beautiful too. So when you're sharing a photo of your pet, they want to be seen in great lighting. So with the Pixel Automatic, the shadows are slightly whiter than they are on the iPhone. Now, one thing with the Pixel, you can actually adjust live the shadows and the highlights before you take the photos, so you can make the scene better. That feature only available on the Pixel. Let's do some slow motion. Now ask yourself, when was the last time you saw a grown man having fun smiling with bubbles? So thank you to the cute girl in the previous part of this video for the prop. Now, regarding this, the Pixel is slightly darker for the slow motion, but otherwise the frame rate, everything's pretty equal standards. So I'm pretty happy with the slow motion of the Pixel. And thank you to the Emu Legend for watching. And during all my time in quarantine, all I did was go to the gym just so I could get this shot. So guys, how many points? I'm risking my life for this. And look at this ankle. Oh, could have rolled my ankle there, but no, I survived to edit this video. Great, that was a pretty good long jump. Pixel is slightly lighter. And when you're trying to impress some girls with your high diving, you obviously want to look great as well. And you don't want the camera going crazy, just like what's happening now with the iPhone. The exposure is going up and it's kind of overexposed with the light, but the Pixel managed to keep everything. It's still pretty bright though, I have to admit. Either way, I would give that dive maybe a 12 out of 10. Great Olympic training. Now this guy unfortunately slapped his back, poor entry to the water, and both phones captured this slow-mo beautifully, so he gets a 0 out of 10. Now let's test the zoom capabilities. So you want to get up close to a koala, but you can't because of COVID, no cuddling, no touching, and there's a wall. So we're going to use our zoom instead. Let's test that out. All right, we zoom in. Beautiful. It looks like I'm literally beside him. That is the zoom capabilities of koalas. These guys sleep for 22 hours a day, by the way. So we got them at the perfect time, creeping on them while sleeping. Let's take a photo. Boom. This guy. Boom. Let's compare that to an iPhone 11. We out here zooming in. creeper zoom. No. It's good, but it doesn't zoom in as far as the Pixel 5. Koalas, I want to be closer. I'd rather just not have a zoom lens at all and just be like, hello, koala. Look at the detail of that beautiful fur. Ooh. So as you can see, spying on people or animals from a distance, with both phones not having a zoom lens, the Pixel wins in this case. And when you're trying to impress some girls from far away, let's hope they have the Pixel so that they can zoom in closer to your unbelievable dance moves. You are tearing up the dance floor. Unfortunately, the iPhone just doesn't zoom in as far. So for both cameras that don't have a zoom lens, the Pixel is doing a pretty good job at zooming in to my amazing dancing. Just to interrupt this wide-angle Pixel camera review with some Pixel footage of koalas. Beautiful. They are not bears, but they are super cute. So you can see them as they grow up through the cuteness stages of being amazing. Now, koalas are only found in Australia, and they only eat eucalyptus leaves, and they live for about 12 years. But because of habitat destruction and urban development, their status is now being changed to endangered, which basically means we're going to have this video sponsored by the koalas. I'm not paid for any of this, so instead the money should just go to the koalas. So you should donate, you should definitely donate to any of these koala hospitals or koala conservation projects because they're making you smile through this video. So please give back to them. Who's the cutest? He is. You're pretty cute too, but he's cuter. Let's capture this cuteness forever. Love you. Oh yeah, work it, baby. Go, you are beautiful. Did you know that? Beautiful. Oh yeah, wow. Don't, oh my God, are you getting sick? Are you okay? I know. Beautiful. And the animal beauty results are in. Look at those beautiful kangaroos. I actually prefer the close-up portraits of the Pixel. You have to get a lot closer to your subjects with the iPhone. Also, kangaroos are pretty cool. They can jump up to 9 feet and travel at up to 60 miles an hour top speed. Now, men too also want to look just as beautiful, so hopefully this camera can help them. Smile, Daxon. Now, the Pixel is still processing. Here, soon it will. The iPhone's currently processed, but again, it just makes you look like a ghost. Everything just, it's just weird editing settings for portrait if this is your main camera. Now the Pixel has processed, beautiful blurred background, then up comes the portrait light that processed. Now you can get rid of all those bags under the eyes, get rid of the shadows, take off about 10 years of your life. Beautiful. And now just a boring indoor comparison. Nothing really happens here, but the lighting, the white balance on the Pixel 5 sometimes flips and changes depending on if you're looking outdoors versus indoors. Otherwise, both cameras, great stabilization, great wide on both, and now you receive a kiss from a little marsupial. Mwah. Lucky you. We're gonna do a little audio test now. So this is what it sounds like from the phone itself. So imagine if I was like, hey guys, look at me, I'm out here in the beautiful nature. What does that sound like? How good is that? Does it sound less from far away? You know, I want to know. I want to make good videos with good audio because audio is important. Now, one thing you can do, so the headphones that come with the phone have a microphone in the piece, whatever, so you can do video calls. But on the video mode, it actually works. So it's like, yeah, I want to... Okay, swipe down for external mic. Here we go. The external mic is on. Great, we'll hit record. Ah! Okay, I got it working. Turns out you can't screen record with the mic and record a video with this mic at the same time. So, the level of my voice stays the same as I move back far away from the camera. See? Beautiful crisp audio. It's like I'm presenting at a distance. But can we do something to get rid of this wire? Now Google, here's the thing. I wish that these Pixel Buds, you know, they do phone calls. So I wish you could record the audio from the microphone on the Pixel Buds while recording a video on the phone. That would be awesome. Google, see these Pixel Buds? They have a microphone. So let's use them while recording a video on the phone. So then it's the same audio as I walk away. Nature, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Now, I didn't go through all the features of this phone, so here's just some random photos to show you more visual examples, straight from the camera, automatic, unedited. So hopefully all of these visuals and the fact that you're still watching this video like you're interested, hopefully it's made up your mind and helped you figure out what phone you want. Pixel 5 is pretty dope. iPhone's good too, just depends on what you're looking for. Because deep down I know all you want is an amazing camera. It also does night mode, which I hear is far superior than all of iPhone stuff. And there's 4K time lapses, which are pretty sweet. The phone is 5G. Do your research, look at other comparison videos, but I know deep down that my one is probably the best on YouTube right now. So just before we go, you can watch a video of me getting a bottle of water in the face. Also remember, donate to those koalas, they need help, and click subscribe. Let's test the slow motion. It's too hot and I need to cool down. Ah! Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I never do tech reviews, and it's more so like cool stuff with animals. So I hope you like this video, and you should probably subscribe. And if you really like the kangaroos, you can check out even more kangaroo videos here. It's like we did a kangaroo fighting video here, and we did like a checking inside a kangaroo pouch video here. So just continue your animal journey. Since now you learned about the Pixel 5, you should just continue to learn about animals. That was the whole point. We'll get you here with the Pixel, the technology, and we'll introduce you and educate you about animals. Alright, I'm out of here. Also, Quokka merch, link in bio. Get it. We love it. The happiest animal in the world.